how to use the drive-thru pickup at McDonald's. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step simple tutorial that we can follow up in order to use the drive-thru pickup. So I'll just dive right into the video and get started. So all we gotta do is first of all open up McDonald's. Either the website or the application, you can just go over and open it up on your screen within your specific location. And click on the option called order now or click on start your order. And you can start at the order first of all. So you can browse through the menu first, provide in your street address. So go ahead and choose the delivery address and just go over and click on it. Once clicked on it, what we need to do is we need to select the option for drive-thru. So here we have different options. If you want to go ahead and use the drive-thru options, you can select the option called drive-thru or order here and go ahead and click on save. Once you have saved, the order will be placed. You can place your order even at the speaker when you're in person and go ahead and do so. You can just go over and use your order right here and you can give your order code at the speaker. Look out for the checkout option in the top right corner, and once you click on it, inside your cart, while you're checking out, you'll be finding an order code. You just need to go ahead and show that order code in the drive-thru pickup and your food will be ready when you arrive. And you can just go and speak slowly and very clearly at the speaker while you are in the drive-thru, and avoid peak hours. Always double check the sauces and drinks. Drive-thru availability depends upon the location as well, and some countries have payment only or app required lanes. But this is usually how you should be able to do it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.